Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So this is going to be our first long form video,
and we are making video on hostel essentials,
aka the things we wished someone told us before we suffered.
Yes, exactly.
So let's get started.
First of all, the bed.
So most of the hostels provide you with mattress and pillow, but please buy your own mattress and pillow because you don't know how many people have slept there and it's going to be very unhygienic.
Personal hygiene is a must, and you need to have minimum of 2 bed sheets and 2 pillowcases. It is very important
because you never know, one is going to get dirty and one is going to mysteriously disappear
because it's hostel. And talking about mosquitoes, they will invade your personal space, so you need to have mosquito net or mosquito repellent
because they are going to haunt you at 3 a.m. when you want the most perfect sleep. You think you'll look cute every day? You won't. And I'm so sorry girlies, but you need to hear me out because I suffered the same way.
I know girls, it is not enough, but once you come to hostel, you'll know it.
Because you're going to repeat the same 5 outfits like it's your uniform. So it's better that you pack wisely.
And when it comes to wardrobe, it's very important to have hangers and storage boxes because hostel wardrobe is so small that it will test your patience.
So extension board is also important because many people are going to be charging their headphones, earphones, so there is not enough plug points.
Notebooks, pens are very basic. Do not overdo it because you can buy it from the nearby stationery shops because you do not want to bother your shoulders with that heavy luggage.
Now please listen to this section very carefully because it's going to be very important for y'all.
Bring your own toiletries such as soap, shampoo and towel and hand washes because personal hygiene again comes first when it comes to both girls and boys.
And for the girls, please keep extra sanitary products because even if you think, oh, this will do, it won't. So you always need to keep extra sanitary products.
And please do not take your whole skincare to the washroom
because the hostel washrooms are never safe.
And bring your own bucket and a mug.
And also bring detergent and Dettol to sanitize your clothes and keep them clean.
If your hostel do not provide washing machine.
Hostel food will test your faith, and we are emphasizing so much on this because we have suffered so badly. So please bring dry fruits, achar and whatever you can store so that your food will be little edible at least.
Yes, dry snacks we can bring. And instant noodles is a must because you will be learning how to survive hostel life on instant noodles. The rest you will know when you come here.
These are some random but important things that you need. Firstly, it's medicines. Please keep like general medicines because you never know when you're going to get sick and your family is not there, so please do bring it.
Medicines such as paracetamol, gastric and digestion, and you can bring vitamins after consulting a doctor because you will end up eating junk for 24/7 and you will need vitamins.
This is facts. Also need a sewing kit because you never know, you may have an emergency.
Emergency.
So yes, you need a sewing kit.
And bring lock with spare keys because you may lose it.
And this is very important. The last one is very important.
These are the hostel essentials that is a must because hostel life will humble you for free.
And welcome to whoever is starting their hostel life because it's a place where privacy is a myth but the memories slap. Bye bye.